I was a good student. I understand things. I comprehend very well. Say, I didn't get a standing ovation because they never sat down. And I say, I got one standing ovation because they never sat down. You want to give his name? We'll destroy his career. These dangerous times require a determined Attorney General.
The Senate being equally divided, the Vice President votes in the affirmative and the nomination is confirmed.
Go buy Ivanka's stuff is what I would tell you. I hate shopping. I'm gonna go get some on myself today. This is it's a wonderful line. I own some of it. I'm gonna give a free commercial here. Go buy it today, everybody. You just buy it.
Comments were misrepresented, and what you should do is ask Senator Blumenthal about his Vietnam record that didn't exist after years of getting things. Ask Senator Blumenthal about his Vietnam
I listened to a bunch of stuff last night on television that was disgraceful.